The Oreck Commercial XL upright vacuum cleaner is a lightweight yet powerful cleaning machine designed for professional and commercial use. Built for durability and efficiency, it delivers strong suction and simple operation, making it ideal for offices, hotels, and large spaces. Lightweight design for easy handling. One of the biggest advantages of the Oreck Commercial XL is its ultra-lightweight build, around 9 grams. This makes it easy to carry, push, and maneuver, even during long cleaning sessions or when moving between floors. Powerful suction for deep cleaning. Despite its lightweight design, this vacuum provides strong suction power that effectively removes dirt, dust, and debris from carpets and hard floors. It is designed to handle heavy-duty cleaning tasks in commercial environments. High-speed brush roll for carpet cleaning. The vacuum features a high-speed brush roll that agitates carpet fibers to lift embedded dirt and debris. This ensures deeper cleaning compared to basic vacuums, making it ideal for high-traffic areas. Automatic height adjustment. With automatic height adjustment, the vacuum seamlessly adapts to different floor types without manual changes. It transitions smoothly from carpets to hard floors, maintaining optimal cleaning performance. Bagged system for clean disposal. The Oreck XL uses a bagged dust collection system, which helps trap dust and allergens effectively. It also allows for hygienic disposal without releasing dirt back into the air. Wide cleaning path for efficiency. Its wide cleaning head covers more surface area in less time, making it efficient for large spaces like offices, hallways, and commercial buildings. Durable commercial-grade construction designed for heavy use, the vacuum is built with durable materials that can withstand frequent operation. It's engineered for reliability in demanding environments. Low-profile design for tight spaces. The low-profile head allows the vacuum to reach under furniture, desks, and beds easily, improving cleaning coverage without needing additional tools. Simple controls and easy maintenance. The vacuum is designed with straightforward controls and minimal features, making it easy to operate and maintain. It's ideal for users who want reliability without complexity. The Oreck Commercial XL upright vacuum is a dependable, lightweight, and powerful cleaning solution built for efficiency and durability. It's an excellent choice for commercial environments or users who need a simple, high-performance vacuum for large areas and everyday cleaning tasks.